To understand atomic structure, we need to know the three tiny particles inside an atom: protons, neutrons, and electrons. These particles explain the charge, mass, and identity of an atom. Atoms are made up of even smaller particles. These are called subatomic particles. The three subatomic particles you need to know are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are found in the nucleus. Electrons are found outside the nucleus. Once you know where these particles are, their charges, and their masses, atomic structure becomes much easier. Let's start with protons. Protons are found in the nucleus. Each proton has a charge of +1. Its relative mass is 1. The most important point is this: protons decide the element. For example, every carbon atom has 6 protons. Every oxygen atom has 8 protons. So, if the number of protons changes, the element changes. Neutrons are also found in the nucleus. A neutron has no charge, so its charge is 0. Its relative mass is also 1, about the same as a proton. Neutrons do not decide the element. Instead, neutrons add to the mass of the atom. That is why mass number depends on both protons and neutrons. Electrons are found outside the nucleus. Each electron has a charge of -1. Compared with protons and neutrons, electrons have a very small mass. So, at this level, we usually treat the mass of an electron as negligible. Electrons are extremely important in chemistry because they are involved in bonding. Atoms can lose electrons, gain electrons, or share electrons. So, here are the two key numbers to remember. Proton numbers means the number of protons. Mass number means the number of protons plus neutrons. One more important point: in an electrically neutral atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. This is because the positive charges from protons balance the negative charges from electrons. Key idea: protons decide the element. Neutrons add to the mass, and electrons are involved in bonding. Once you understand these three particles, it becomes much easier to understand atoms, ions, and chemical bonding.